The ERi-TV news broadcast crew and I, Delit Sahaya, are now ready for your daily news briefing at 10:30 local time. But first, let us catch up with the major headlines. National celebrates Independence Day anniversary. Festival of Students of Hamil Malo College of Agriculture. China accused Philippines of intensifying conflict in South China Sea. And firefighters battle wildfire sparked by Hezbollah rockets in northern Israel. On our local news, the 33rd Independence Day anniversary was celebrated with patriotic zeal by nationals in the United Arab Emirates and Italy under the theme Peace Anchored on Resilience. The celebratory event in Dubai on 2nd June, Ms. Saada Mohammed Taha, Managing Director at the Eritrean Embassy in Abu Dhabi, stated that the Eritrean people have reached this promising stage by overcoming all external hostiles aimed at derailing the country's economic progress. She also congratulated the participants as well as the people of Eritrea and its defense forces. Mr. Mohammed Mahmoud, Managing Director at the Eritrean Consul General Office, remarked that Eritrea's independence and sovereignty are gifts from their martyrs, and it is every citizen's responsibility to build a prosperous country where its citizens live in peace and harmony. The event featured cultural and artistic programs as well as sports competitions. In a related news, nationals in Italian cities of Firenze and Parma celebrated the 33rd Independence Day anniversary with patriotic zeal. The participants of this celebratory event expressed their conviction to strengthen organizational capacity and participation in the national affairs. The annual Festival of Students of Hamil Malo College of Agriculture concluded on 31st May under the theme, We Freely Give What We Freely Received. At the event, in which Ambassador Abdallah Musa, Governor of Asaba region, took part, Professor Wald Amlach Ar-Ayadin of the college emphasized the importance of the festival in nurturing disciplined and conscious youth alongside regular education. Professor Wald Amlach noted that the festival significantly contributes to helping students identify and develop their talents. Mr. Abel Johannes, head of the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students in the college, stated that the festival is annually organized in cooperation with the Union Branch of Higher Education Institutions. The festival includes sports, cultural, educational, and as well as innovation and creativity competitions. Ambassador Abdullah Musa, commending the organizers of the festival, highlighted the research initiatives presented will significantly contribute to development of the agricultural programs. He also called for transforming these initiatives into practical action. At the event, awards were handed out to the winners of various competitions. Vocational training ranging from 3 to 6 months have been provided to 213 youth, including 62 females, in Adita Kalezan and Haga subzones. The training included catering, water pipeline installations, generator maintenance, installation of electricity and solar system, metal and woodwork. At the event organized in both the subzones, Colonel Yamana Mebratu, administrator of Adita Kalezan subzone, and Mr. Idris Mohammed, administrator of Haga subzone, emphasized the positive impact of the vocational training on the lives of the youth and called for taking advantage of the opportunities being provided. They also urged parents to strengthen their participation in nurturing competent youth who adhere into the noble societal values. Mr. Saleh Ibrahim, Secretary of PFDJ in the Ansaba region, encouraged the trainees to apply the skills they acquired to improve their livelihoods. Dear viewers, we'll be back with the international news shortly. You stay tuned. Welcome back. China accused the Philippines on Tuesday, June 4th, of continuously provoking and intensifying the conflict in the South China Sea after an incident with the Philippine Navy at the 2nd Thomas Shoal. The Philippines side is the party that has continuously infringed upon the provoked and intensified the conflict, said Chinese Foreign Minister spokesperson Mao Ning on Tuesday. Chinese state media has reported that Filipino troops on board on a grounded warship at the shoal has pointed guns at the Chinese Coast Guard. Philippine military officials have disputed the accounts, saying the troops did not point their guns and they had acted professionally. On our last news, a large part of the northern Israel has been engulfed by wind fire ignited by rockets launched from Lebanon in the militant group Hezbollah, and rescue teams were battling the flame overnight on Monday, June 3rd through the Tuesday morning, June 4th. Some houses caught fire in towns and villages near the Lebanon border, local media reported. Many residents were evacuated from their homes months ago since Hezbollah fired projectiles at the Israel parallel in the war in Gaza. Israel's Parks Authority said earlier on Monday, June 3rd, that fires had spread across thousands of acres. The National Fire Service said its firefighters were operating in several spots, including the town of Kiryat Shimona, where they were trying to protect a line of houses. The Israeli military sent equipment and soldiers to help contain the flame, which spread quickly due to the hot and dry weather, and 6 military reservists were highly injured, the military said. Dear viewers, we've come to the end of tonight's news. Let's have a quick recap of the headlines. Festival of Students in Hamad College of Agriculture. China accused Philippines for intensifying conflict in South China Sea. And firefighters battle wildfire sparks by Hezbollah rockets in northern Israel. That wraps up our stories for tonight. Thanks for watching and have a good night.